Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. You are seeing today the tutorial of hibiscus and then the iris and small blade painting technique. Children, kindly don't try this blade painting art. I am drawing this hibiscus flower on a texture sheet and then I'll be doing wet on wet technique. On paper you can use water, but on cloth when you are doing the same flower with same technique you can use medium number 1. Those who learn freehand painting need not draw this flower. So I have different courses: freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjo, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oragata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds' faces and many more. And I have tanjo on fabric. I have basic and advanced courses starting from 1000 onwards. I take online and offline also. After spreading water or medium, you can take crimson or any other color which you want. You can use 6 or 8 number round brush. Those who are interested in joining any courses can contact me. My details are in this video and below this video in description. Now I have taken maroon color. Now the second flower, the iris, and for this also wet on wet technique. First I'm spreading water. If you are doing on cloth, take medium number 1. Then I'm scratching lines with back of the brush. When you're doing on cloth, you have to draw lines with the brush. For iris flower, I have taken violet, purple and then yellow, and black for the center. For leaves, I have taken light green. This is my third painting with blade, and I'm using blade, and I have put colors on the tile. I'm taking the colors from the tile. I have put pink color, and this is a simple technique. Children, kindly don't try this art. You can do this blade painting on a thick sheet or canvas.